In the early days of conservation, the world witnessed the birth of its first national park. This milestone came from an alarming observation. Human activities were severely harming the natural world. As trees were cut down and animals disappeared, it became obvious that we needed safe places for nature to survive, away from human damage. This first park started a worldwide effort. Countries joined in, aiming to protect 10% of the Earth's lands. As we learned more, our goals expanded. The sea was included, eventually raising our aim to protect 30% of all land and water. Edward Osborne Wilson, a forward-thinking biologist, encouraged us to aim even higher, to safeguard half of our planet. Hopefully we'll achieve this goal one day. However, the challenge of climate change resulting from fossil fuel burning has cast a shadow over these safe havens. Climate change affects everything. It warms the seas and the atmosphere, modifies landscapes, and impacts life everywhere. Our protected spots, once safe from human impacts, now face the tough task of dealing with climate change. To tackle this task, our conservation plans must evolve. Simply setting aside areas won't be enough to protect nature from climate change. We need to strengthen these places and also set up new ones that match the shifting needs of wildlife seeking better homes. This means building pathways and spots along the way for species to move and adjust. Climate change isn't new. Throughout history, animals and plants have adapted to shifting climates, moving to survive. In the past, they could disperse freely because humans weren't in their way. Now, human activities block these natural paths, making it hard for wildlife to move as needed. So, what do we do? Researchers at Araújo's lab have been studying how climate change affects nature for several decades. They've developed novel models to predict where animals and plants will find suitable habitats as the climate changes. These models also consider how species interact with each other, which can shape their ability to adapt. But modeling is just a first step. We use advanced tools to evaluate different conservation strategies, considering their costs and benefits. These tools help us identify the most important places to protect biodiversity over the entire planet. Our research isn't just theoretical. We're applying it in real places, both terrestrial and marine, to assist regional and national governments in enhancing their conservation strategies and ensuring they are resilient in response to climate change risks. Science is crucial to protect life on Earth, showing that with knowledge, innovation, and action, we can tackle the big challenges of conserving biodiversity in a changing world.